Wolf here with another episode of Animal Jam, and I hope my sound is off. Yes, it is, because the last video I tried to record, you know, it failed miserably. Oh my god, danger! Stranger danger! Everybody run! So if you haven't heard about the new update, there is a new update where there are now spiked collars. There are pink, light blue, light orange, light green. Let me close the door. Light purple, teal, black, and white. And the spikes are a tinted blue, and the spike collars are the same color. And they are 3 diamonds. So they came out with a new den too. It's called Pixel Place. I reviewed it during my last video, but let's start out here. So I really like this video, or I really like this den because it's a lot better than most of the other dens. Cause you know, you can fly through the walls and stuff. But go review it yourself if you want to. So, I've been trying to find out how to upload my videos because none of them have ever been working. So what we're gonna do right now is do a giveaway. So I'm gonna ask you I'm gonna ask you 5 questions, and people who get those questions right, people who get one of the questions right will get one of the studded collars, and ask what color studded collar you want. And I will give the winners this. So everyone comment below what color you want and your answer. People who get both things right are going to get the Mech Angel wings. But the first person who gets 2 things right will get the Mech Angel wings. Person who gets it second will get elf bracelets. Alright, let's get to the questions. The question is, why has Wolfie not been uploading videos last week? Or June 11th through June 18th. The reason is, answer A. Not the reason. Answer A. B. Here are your answer decisions. A. She's been on vacation. B. She has not been near a computer that can record. C. She's been sick. D. Her mic broke. E. Her computer broke. Comment below what answer you think is correct. Choose 2 of those questions. I'm also going to have all my social medias down below. I will also have the questions down below. I'll also have the question and answers down below. And once people start commenting below, I will choose a few people who got one thing right. I think I said it in one of my other videos. But anyways, let's get to one thing I wanted to ask you. So, for my first try, I found this person who has inline skates. And I have no idea if AJ has come out with those yet. Let's go to this thing. They don't have it in here. It's not in here. They don't have it in here because they're both the same. I don't, what? I am confused with Animal Jam right now. Anyways, I'm gonna go to, not this place, the other place, down here. Cause, I mean, I'm awesome and I can fly through stuff. Epic Wonders, that's what it was called. So, I decided that I wanted to try to buy some things here. So, I'm gonna try to get enough gems for a few things here. And then I will come back to you. So, let me go to a game and cue the music. Wait, what? whatever. Alright, I'm back. I don't know why I didn't talk during that, but I decided I give up because I got bored. But one thing I want AJ to add is adventure modes. Like they could add maybe I don't know, a mode where like people can play tag, and if you get touched by the person who is so-called it, then you'll become it. Did you know if you come down here and you hop around the fire and get a bunch of people to hop around the fire, then there will be something really cool around here. Hop around the fire. I really like this thing. How there are so many things that you can do in Animal Jam, but the one thing people just do is trade and scam and hack. Like to me, Animal Jam should fix their thing so like it can detect scam. Wow, that's actually really good. You want to see what my attempt to draw that is? Look how fast that took me. Oh my lord. No, I don't want to save. Okay, so there's nothing else really new with Animal Jam except for this is packed. Anyways, remember to rate, comment, and subscribe to be part of Wolfpack today. Don't forget to comment below your answers for the giveaway. And remember to stay tuned for a live stream coming up soon. And hopefully this video will become really good. Give a thumbs up for an awesome intro. And I will see you all in the next video. Peace.